Hi Virgos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 72 hours. So, we will be picking few cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. So, Virgos, I request you to watch this reading till the end so that way you will get more clarity because we are picking cards for your circumstances today, your present, your past, what are the obstacles you're facing, and what will be the future situation and the outcome. So, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Let's start with this card, Virgos. We have Star. So, you have hopes and dreams, you're wishing for certain things, you are working towards that, you feel inspired, confident, and you are moving towards new beginning because when we have positive intentions we are attracting positive things and blessings towards us Virgos. So that is what you are doing. You are hoping for a bright future. You are having positive intentions towards your goals and dreams, and you are definitely going to achieve it very soon. So we will see what is this card. Love. Such a beautiful card. Maybe your love for some person or a circumstance or an opportunity that is changing your life today, or that is the reason you are doing a lot of things, and you have hopes and expectations for this love, and you are what to say, you are really happy today, feeling um, confident, and for this love you are ready to do anything, and you are too much focused on that person, or it may be an opportunity or an work related action you are too focused on that may be an obstacle for you in your growth, that may come as an obstacle in your life. So you must um, see what level of commitment you have towards a person or towards a thing. So we will be seeing more cards. It's it's five of fire, queen of water. And maybe in your situation in your past, you had some kind of an emotional time. Maybe you came to an understanding, though you had someone you love, you were with someone, there were a lot of differences, and you are someone who respects others, and maybe they are so different from you, and that may be the reason you parted ways, or um, you are in this present situation. You are feeling emotional, sad, or worried because of that, because though you loved each other, there are certain things you couldn't work out between you both. Some differences, some misunderstandings were there, and today you are also having that understanding. Though it was a painful experience in your past, today you know that it is for the better. Maybe certain things, uh, even though when you try to change, or even though when you try to resolve, when it does not change, it just means that it is not meant to work, Virgos. So we will see what is this card here. It's Six of Fire and Tower. So, in your circumstances, there are huge changes waiting to unfold, something you never expected, and you may feel that you may feel that these changes are something drastic, these changes are something unnecessary in your life, but changes are here for a reason. You should never forget that. And maybe it may look like drastic changes, difficult changes, but these changes are going to take you towards something beautiful, and it is realigning your life. You should not forget that. It is going to bring out the best in you, best of characteristics, best of your work will come out with these changes in your life today, Virgos. So, we will see the final few cards. So, we will see the final cards for your reading. It's Messenger of Earth, King of Water, Queen of Fire, and Two of Air. So, you will be making some important decisions. You are making a choice. It may be in your career or in your personal life. Very soon, say hi, Berry. Hi. Come here. Okay. So, this is my pet bird. He's not coming. So, you're going to make a very important decision in your circumstances, and you are someone who is dedicated to your dreams and goals. And if you make a choice, you try to stand by those choices, and you are a very hard working person. So whatever difficulties you see, you are someone who never ever gives up. You are a dedicated person. So, your dedication is going to be the stepping stone for your success in your life, and you are a very reliable, honest person, Virgos. And though you are seeing troubles today, you may see some changes in your life, something you never expected. Situation is going to change very soon, and you will see positive changes in your career, and happiness, love, good understanding, and good communication with your person. So circumstances are going to change, and because of your dedication and efforts, your situation is going to change, Virgos, very soon. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Virgos. Say bye, Berry. Say bye.